Have you ever wondered how your financial habits could change your life? Just as our daily routines and personal habits shape our health and happiness, our financial habits craft the framework of our monetary well-being. They are the silent architects, building the foundation for a future of financial freedom or a lifetime of monetary struggles. The importance of nurturing good financial habits cannot be overstated. They are the stepping stones on the path to financial freedom. These habits can help you manage your money wisely, avoid unnecessary debt, and ensure that you're always prepared for financial emergencies. The beauty of it all? Anyone can cultivate these habits. Regardless of where you stand financially, the right habits can guide your journey to financial independence. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? In this video, we will explore 9 habits that can lead you to financial freedom. Let's embark on this journey together. The first habit is making a budget. This habit is the cornerstone of managing finances effectively. It's like a roadmap that guides you towards your financial goals. Creating a budget begins with understanding what goes in and what comes out of your pocket. That's why it's essential to categorize your expenses and identify your income sources. Expenses can be divided into different categories such as housing, groceries, utilities, transportation, entertainment, and more. This allows you to see where your money is going and where you can potentially cut back. Next, identify your income sources. This could be your salary, rental income, dividends, or any other forms of income in cash. Knowing your total income gives you a clear picture of how much money you have to work with. Once you've mapped out your income and expenses, it's time to set savings goals. These goals could be for a short-term desire, like a vacation or a new gadget, or long-term objectives like buying a home or retiring comfortably. Your savings goals should be realistic and achievable. You might need to adjust your spending habits to meet these goals, but remember, every little bit counts. Creating a budget may seem daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's a powerful tool to keep your finances in check. It provides a clear snapshot of your financial health and helps you make informed decisions about your money. A budget is the first step towards financial freedom. Habit number 2 is to save before you spend. Saving before spending, or paying yourself first, is a habit that can change the trajectory of your financial journey. It's a simple concept, yet it's powerful enough to transform your financial future. It's about setting aside a portion of your income for savings the moment you receive it. Imagine your income as a pie. Before you divide this pie amongst your various expenses such as rent, bills, groceries, and entertainment, you first take a piece of it for yourself, for your savings. This is the essence of paying yourself first. This habit encourages savings by making it a priority, not an afterthought. It reduces the temptation to overspend because you've already set aside your savings. The money left is what you have to work with. It's like giving yourself a boundary that helps you stay within your spending limits. It's a habit that fosters discipline and helps you build a buffer for your future. It's a habit that gets easier with time and soon becomes a part of your lifestyle. So how do you start? Begin by setting aside a small percentage of your income. As you get comfortable, gradually increase this percentage. Remember, it's not about how much you save, but the habit of saving regularly that truly matters. Think about it. If you don't pay yourself first, who will? Remember, save before you spend. The third habit is to invest wisely. Now, this is not about picking the next big thing in the stock market or getting rich quick. It's about understanding that every dollar you invest is a seed that can grow into a mighty tree in the future. Investments are the tools that can help you achieve financial freedom. They are your ticket to creating wealth that lasts. So, how do you choose sound investments? It starts with understanding your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and the time you have to reach those goals. Are you saving for a house, for retirement, or for your child's education? Each goal might require a different investment strategy. Next, it's important to do your homework. Research the companies, funds, or real estate opportunities you're considering. Understand the risks involved and the potential returns. Don't invest in something you don't understand. And let's not forget the role of diversification. It's the old saying of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This way, if one investment doesn't perform well, you have others that might. Investing can be complex, but it's a crucial habit for financial freedom. It's about making your money work for you instead of you working for your money. So get informed, make a plan, and start investing. Remember, every dollar invested is a potential seed for future growth. Invest wisely and your money will work for you. Habit number 4 is to avoid debt. Now let's get this straight. Not all debt is evil. Sometimes it can be a tool to achieve certain goals like buying a home or getting a good education. But the type of debt we're talking about here is high-interest debt. Think credit cards or payday loans. This kind of debt is like a quicksand pit, easy to fall into, but incredibly hard to get out of. High-interest debt can quickly spiral out of control, consuming a large chunk of your income. This is money that you could have been saving or investing, but instead, it's making your creditors richer. So how do we avoid this unnecessary debt? Firstly, only borrow what you need and can afford to pay back. This means living within your means and not falling into the trap of consumerism. Say no to impulse purchases and prioritize needs over wants. Secondly, have a repayment plan. If you already have debt, make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. This might involve making more than the minimum payment each month, or using a debt repayment strategy like the snowball or avalanche method. Finally, build an emergency fund. This is a safety net that can prevent you from turning to high-interest debt in case of unexpected expenses. Remember, avoiding debt is not about depriving yourself, but about making smart choices that will lead to financial freedom. Avoiding debt is key to financial freedom. The 5th habit is to plan for emergencies. As we journey through life, it's inevitable that we'll encounter unexpected hurdles. Whether it's a health issue, a sudden job loss, or an unforeseen home repair, these situations can throw our financial equilibrium into disarray if we're not prepared. This is where the importance of an emergency fund comes into play. Imagine an emergency fund as your financial safety net. It's money set aside specifically to cover significant unexpected expenses. It's not for holidays or luxury purchases, but for those moments in life that catch us off guard. So how do you go about building this safety net? It's simpler than you might think. Start by determining how much you'll need. Most financial experts recommend having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. This might sound daunting, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Start small if you need to. Set aside a little from each paycheck. Over time, this will grow into a substantial amount. You might also consider automating these savings. That way, the money is transferred directly into your emergency fund before you have a chance to spend it. Remember, an emergency fund isn't about restricting your lifestyle. It's about giving yourself the freedom to navigate life's unexpected turns without financial stress. It's about peace of mind. It's about resilience. An emergency fund gives you financial security. It's a lifeline when you need it most. It's the 5th habit on your journey to financial freedom. Habit number 6 is regular financial checkups. Just as you would schedule a regular health checkup to ensure your body is functioning optimally, you need to conduct regular financial checkups to monitor the health of your finances. It's all about keeping an eye on the pulse of your financial situation. A financial checkup involves reviewing your budget, your spending habits, your savings, your investments, and your financial goals. It's like taking a financial snapshot to see where you stand. Are you sticking to your budget? Are your investments paying off? Are you on track to meet your financial goals? These are the questions you should ask during a financial checkup. How often should you conduct a financial checkup? Well, it depends on your situation. If you are just starting out on your financial journey, a monthly checkup might be beneficial. However, if you have a well-established financial plan, a quarterly or even a biannual checkup might suffice. Remember, the purpose of a financial checkup is not to beat yourself up over financial mistakes, but rather to identify areas for improvement and celebrate financial wins. It's about ensuring that you are on the right track and making necessary adjustments when needed. So, make it a habit to conduct regular financial checkups. It's like a financial tune-up that helps keep your money engine running smoothly. Just as you wouldn't neglect your health, don't neglect your financial health. Regular financial checkups keep you on the path to financial freedom. The 7th habit is to prioritize financial education. This is a crucial habit that should be adopted by anyone seeking financial freedom. With the world of finance constantly evolving, it's absolutely essential to stay informed and updated. Think of financial education as a journey, not a destination. It's an ongoing process, a lifelong pursuit. It's about more than just knowing how to balance a checkbook or understanding the difference between stocks and bonds. It's about understanding how money works, how to make it work for you, and how to protect it. There are countless resources available to help you on this journey. Books, podcasts, online courses, and financial advisors are just a few of the tools at your disposal. Choose resources that are reputable and align with your financial goals. Don't shy away from asking questions, seeking advice, or delving into topics that might initially seem complex. Remember, the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Prioritizing financial education also means staying informed about economic trends and financial news. Keep an eye on the markets, understand how global events might impact your investments, and stay updated on changes to financial regulations and tax laws. In a world where financial landscapes are constantly shifting, the only way to stay ahead is to keep learning. So make a commitment today to prioritize your financial education. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finances. Habit number 8 is to make money work for you. Now you may be wondering, what does that mean? Well, it's all about generating passive income. Passive income is money that you earn without actively working for it. It's like having a golden goose that lays a steady stream of golden eggs. Let's delve deeper into this concept. The idea is to have your money generate more money for you. Sounds intriguing, right? This could be through investments, real estate, or even a side hustle that has grown into a self-sustaining enterprise. Think of it this way. You're planting a seed today, nurturing it for some time, and then sitting back to watch it grow into a tree that bears fruit year after year. That's what creating a source of passive income is like. For instance, let's say you write a book and it gets published. Every time someone buys your book, you earn a royalty. That's your money working for you. Or you invest in stocks or real estate. As the value of your investments grow, so does your wealth. Again, that's your money working for you. But remember, creating passive income requires upfront work, investment, and patience. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategic approach to building wealth over time. Making money work for you is a key to financial freedom. It's about moving from earning money through active efforts to generating income passively. It's about paving your path to financial independence. So start today. Plant those seeds and let your money work for you. The 9th and final habit is to set financial goals. Now, we're not just talking about vague desires like I want to be rich or I want to retire early. No, we're talking about specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, or what we like to call SMART goals. Imagine you're setting out on a journey without a map or a destination in mind. It's likely you'll wander aimlessly, right? The same principle applies to your finances. Without clear financial goals, you're likely to splurge on non-essentials, or worse, end up in debt. Let's start with short-term financial goals. These are goals you aim to achieve within the next 1 to 2 years. This could be saving up for a vacation, paying off a small debt, or even starting an emergency fund. Short-term goals are crucial as they keep you motivated and focused on your financial journey. Next, we have long-term financial goals. These are the big ones that you aim to achieve in 5, 10, or even 20 years. It could be buying a house, saving for your child's college education, or building a retirement fund. Long-term goals give you a sense of direction and help you make important financial decisions. Remember, it's essential to make your goals SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This way you know exactly what you want, how much you need, when you want it, and how to get it. Setting financial goals gives you a roadmap to financial freedom. So there you have it, 9 habits that can change your financial life. We've journeyed through the importance of making a budget, a simple yet powerful tool that gives you control over your finances. We've underscored the value of saving before spending, a habit that prioritizes future security over instant gratification. We've delved into the art of investing wisely, a key to growing your wealth. We've highlighted the need to avoid debt and plan for emergencies, 2 habits that safeguard your financial health. We've discussed the significance of regular financial checkups and prioritizing financial education, habits that keep you informed and proactive. We've also talked about making money work for you and setting financial goals, habits that empower you to shape your financial destiny. These habits are not just strategies, they are a mindset, a lifestyle. They can transform your financial situation, offering you the freedom you seek. Start today and step into your financial freedom.